Nako. Stress. Ang init. Actually, I don't know where they are now. Ah, right there. You're just too good to be true. Ay! Oh my God, hello! Ay! The owner of the steakhouse, my God. Yeah. Nasyak ako! Hi, Ma! Oo! Ano siya yung wala niya akong gusto niya ako eye to eye Irish. Oh my gosh! Can you believe this? Oh my people! Oh my gosh! Irish dito tayo, saan ba tayo? I don't like steak. I just ate the steak. Oh my God. My tummy aches suddenly, shucks. Gosh. What the F? One for each other, no? Hey, Venus, stop it. I'm not ready. It's okay. Aray ko. Hindi ko talaga alam ang kakainin ko. Ano ba yan? Kaya ko na fix it.
I'll just get new chili.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, carrot. Yan.
Order.
Ah! Nauhaw akong bigla. Single yata, ewan ko. Oh my God. Nagulat ako. I feel like someone is watching me. Someone is watching me. For real. Ah. Okay, you guys sit here beside me. Come on. Go sit beside Lala. My gosh. Munti ko ma-heart attack. Whew. Okay. Kuya, ate. 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 Ate pa yung cold water.
Cold water, ha?
Apo. Lahat kami. Because it's so hot outside. Suddenly, it's so hot. Suddenly, it's magic. One blues, one touch.
Hello, mas okay lang niya pag ikaw natakunan ng suka.
Ayan, iyan ang hinabol niyan, Rish. Yung ano, yung condiments. Gusto niya paglaruan.
Or tonkatsu.
Ganun na lang, yung nasa picture na.
Lutaw.
Ano ba lasa nun?
Ano naman? Pork.
Hindi.
Seafood.
Seafoods na lang. Ah. Hindi ko alam ang ordering ko.
Mas
suggest? Ramen. Karage. Ay, oh, ay. Oh, boy. Ay, Richie to.
Wonder Cup.
Ano yun?
Ito.
Yes. Kakuni. Kakuni. Ah,
Ito yung other ramen nila.
i-order mo ako
May
dito.
pork, may seafood.
Seafood. Huwag na seafoods, na-allergy kami lately. Kakuni na lang.
Hindi ka ng flash.
Gusto ko i-try yung kakuni. My God, I got shock.
You already have black rice.
I can't help but smile. Why?
Wonder Cup. Gusto mo ba kay Daddy?
Pwede tayo doon.
Diba?
I don't like. I don't like.
Ikaw na natin.
Sige. Water po? Yes, please. Tapos, burger po.
Yes, thank you. Nak-order mo ako ng marunong.
Uy, masyado malamig yung water ko. Sumakit na na muna. Oh, ito.
Tastes like goma. What's that?
Balikan ko sila ma'am kung ready for order.
Oo, thank you.
So anyhow,
Gusto mo belly or show?
ano masarap?
Ba? Belly water? Pakain ka din. Okay. Water?
What we call this? We're in ramen nagi. Yan. Sarap daw dito. Baka naman kasi there's always a lot of people, eating here. Two years na to, di ba, nak? 2 years na.
Ay, hindi ko alam. Binuksan mo ito.
Hindi, nung binuksan to, wala pa sila eh. Luca, baka matapon. Stop playing. It's my first time to try this ramenagi. Let's see if it's good. I'm sure it's good. So, TikTok and TikToker, sorry for the shocking moment a while ago. I am not expecting it. Me, myself, also shocked. I thought someone's watching me and I think when I look at it, yes, someone is watching me. I told you, all of you, if you want to see me more, go to my YouTube channel and TikTok. Don't just wait for me in the corner. Just go and watch me. Watch me more and more as much as you want. Yes. Yeah. Nugget. So yeah, I'm gonna eat ramen. I'm gonna tell you if it's good or not.
We're gonna ask.
So, ciao Bella.